Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this video is a first-hand documented proof that the earth is not flat. Yes, in 2020, we're still having to talk about this. So I shot this video with my Phantom 4 drone out at Lake Livingston during the sunset. The principles covered here would be vanishing point or lack thereof, and the fact that if we're on a flat plane, objects that are traveling parallel to a plane cannot cross the plane that they are traveling parallel to. It's common knowledge, basic physics. So here, if you look, this is the entire, we're in Final Cut Pro, so this whole window is the field of view from the drone. This highlighted area here, right here, is what I'm going to crop it down so we can concentrate on where the sun is. And I'm gonna go ahead and go full screen now. So it is playing. If you look where my mouse is, right here, you'll see an airplane flying across the sky. So that will be proof that I have not altered or changed this video. You're watching it play in real time. But, you know, in the day of digital editing, you can do all sorts of things. So I was out here just flying the drone, catching the sunset, and the sun happened to go over the horizon. Here's the airplane, so the plane has traveled. So the sun is going to go over the horizon completely. And I'm going to simply raise my drone up another 200 feet and bring the sun completely black into visibility. As you see here, and I'm zooming in. So now I'm actually raising the drone up, and we are now able to see the sun again. The airplane is still getting further away, going to the left because the plane is still flying. So we're watching the sun set a second time because we clearly see the sun again. And this is actually in real time, so it's slow. I didn't want to speed it up, but I can and will, I guess, here after it goes down the second time. I'll do the manual search so you can actually see. There goes the sunset the second time. All right, so let me go down here and all right, so you see the sun. So right now, sun is down, sun is up. Sun is down, sun is back up. That can't happen on a flat plane. And obviously, if something has moved away from you to the point you can't see it, going up or down is not going to make it more visible. Just because you climbed up something doesn't bring something closer to you if you haven't moved forward towards it. Basic science, y'all. And this is a flat earth debunking observation in exactly 4 minutes.